The purpose of this video is to help people to be acquainted with the Math Pro Learning Activities page. So looking at the top of the homepage for mathprogame.com, you can see the learning activities with instructions. So it's one of the 6 choices in the ribbon at the top. We're going to click on that, and then you can see there's a short synopsis of what this page has and the rationale behind the page. There are 39 different learning activities, and these activities are progressive, meaning that as the lessons increase in number, they're also going to increase in difficulty or the skill that they're going to be working on. So one of the first problems that we see is a parent or a teacher may be confused as to where to start, meaning like which activity should they start with. Quite a few people won't start with activity number 1 because that's just counting dice. And if their student or child knows how to count, then they don't need to start there. So clicking here on this table, if I click on it, it should help with that problem. So looking at the top in white, it has the grade levels and the different activities that meet the content that would be appropriate for that level. And then in the lower part in blue, it's the same type of table, but it's in this time it is going to be organized by the skill that they're going to be working on with the Common Core standards over to the side. So now let's look back and let's go to an activity. So say that my child needs to work on adding. They just are beginning to add with single digit numbers. So I'm going to start them off at activity number 7, Roll 2 Basic Black Dice Addition. So first of all, I'm going to click on the written instructions. All the written instructions for the learning activity site, they're going to be set up the same way. They're going to have the name of the activity, the dice legend, so you're reminded as to what the dice mean. They're also going to have video instructions. The video instructions are linked to a QR code, and the QR code should be helpful because a parent or teacher can bring up this written instructions and then also utilize their phone to watch a video via the QR code. There's Common Core standards at the top and also SEL standards. Also, the formatting is going to be consistent underneath that, the purpose of the activity, the materials needed, how to play, and possible next steps. Now let's go back to the learning activities page, and then we're going to see that there is also video instructions. When I click on the video instructions, we've tried hard to make these short and to the point. These are on YouTube, and they're going to go over how to do the activity. Finally, there's also going to be this video that I'm just doing right here, obviously, is going to be a part of it. So hopefully this makes navigating the activities site on MathPro much easier. And remember, at MathPro, you can count on fun.